फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिएगा ताकि मेरा मोटिवेशन बढ़ता रहे और मैं आपके लिए डेली एक न्यू वीडियो ला सकूं। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। मुझे धक्का मत दो, डोंट पुश मी, डोंट पुश मी। मैं तुमसे चिढ़ा हुआ हूँ। आई एम इरिटेटेड विथ यू, आई एम इरिटेटेड विथ यू। ये मेरी किताबें हैं। These are my books. These are my books. तुम्हें चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. मैं वहाँ नहीं था। I was not there. I was not there. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? मुझे परवाह नहीं है कि आप कौन हो। I don't care who are you. I don't care who are you. सब ठीक हो जाएगा। Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. बहाने बनाना बंद करो। Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. मुझे सब बताओ। Tell me everything. Tell me everything. मुझे धमकी मत दो। Don't threaten me. Don't threaten me. मैं तुम पर भरोसा कर रहा हूँ। I am counting on you. I am counting on you. मैं तुम्हें थप्पड़ मार दूंगा। I will slap you. I will slap you. मैं किसी का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting for someone. I am waiting for someone. मुझे तुम्हारे बारे में बताया गया है। I have been told about you. I have been told about you. मैं ट्रेन से जाऊंगी। I will go by train. I will go by train. क्या तुम अच्छे से सोए? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? उसे सोने दो। Let him sleep. Let him sleep. मैं किसी पर भरोसा नहीं करता। I don't trust anyone. I don't trust anyone. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है। I am getting angry. I am getting angry. आज लंच में क्या है? What is for lunch today? What is for lunch today? आओ हम कुछ खाएं। Let's have something. Let's have something. यह कहाँ पर हुआ? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? उसे किताब पढ़नी थी। She had to read the book. She had to read the book. वह काम करती रही। She kept on working. She kept on working. यह तुमने किया। You have done it. You have done it. यह तो उसकी उदारता है। That's kind of her. That's kind of her. मैंने अभी तक खाया नहीं है। I have not eaten it. I have not eaten it. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा है? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? वह मुझसे लंबा है। He is taller than me. He is taller than me. मामला क्या है? What's the matter? What's the matter? मैंने बार बार कोशिश की। I tried again and again. I tried again and again. मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है। I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. ऐसा गलती से हुआ। It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. आ सको तो आओ। Come if you can. Come if you can. तुम्हारी नीयत खराब है। You have bad intentions. You have bad intentions. तुम्हें पता है? You know what? तुम्हें पता है? You know what? तुम मेरे करीबी दोस्त हो। You are my close friend. You are my close friend. हम समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं। We are wasting time. We are wasting time. मैं सोचती रहती हूँ. I keep thinking. I keep thinking. भोजन तैयार है. The food is ready. The food is ready. उसने मुझे ये खबर दी. He gave me this news. He gave me this news. जहाँ तक मुझे पता है. As far as I know. As far as I know. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. आज मैं तुम्हें रुलाऊंगा. Today I will make you cry. Today I will make you cry. मैं 1 मिनट में आया. I will be back in a minute. I will be back in a minute. मेरे संपर्क में रहो. Stay in touch with me. Stay in touch with me. यह किसका विचार है? Whose idea is this? Whose idea is this? इसके लिए मुझसे मत पूछो. Don't ask me for this. Don't ask me for this. तुम घर पर हो. You are at home. You are at home. टेबल से प्लेट हटा दो. Move the plate off the table. Move the plate off the table. इसके लिए मुझे दोष मत दो. Don't blame me for this. Don't blame me for this. कुछ और चाहिए? Need anything else? कुछ और चाहिए? Need anything else? हाँ मत कहना. Don't say yes. हाँ मत कहना. Don't say yes. आपने मुझे कभी नहीं बताया. You never told me. You never told me. मुझे उस पर यकीन है. I believe him. I believe him. ये तुमने कैसे बनाया? How did you make it? How did you make it? खिड़की खोलो. Open the window. Open the window. तुम अक्सर देर से आते हो. You often come late. You often come late. फिर जरूर आना. Do come again. Do come again. आप गलत कह रहे हैं. You are wrong. You are wrong. अपनी गलती मत छुपाओ. Don't hide your mistake. Don't hide your mistake. क्या तुम कर चुके? Are you done? Are you done? वे लड़ रहे हैं. They are fighting. They are fighting. तुम परेशान दिख रहे हो. You look upset. You look upset. मैं वहाँ जाना चाहती हूँ. I want to go there. I want to go there. मेरा विश्वास करो. Believe me. Believe me. तुम्हें बहुत देर लग गई. You are too late. You are too late. क्या आपने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? हम इसके लिए तैयार हैं. We are ready for this. We are ready for this. आप कब उठते हो? When do you get up? When do you get up? उसे प्यास लगी है. She is thirsty. She is thirsty. She का मतलब लड़की हुआ. मतलब हम लड़की की बात कर रहे हैं. और अगर वहाँ ही लगा होता तो मतलब लड़की की बात हो रही है. बारिश होने वाली है. It's about to rain. It's about to rain. मुझे उससे नफरत है. I hate him. I hate him. क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ? May I know your name? May I know your name? वह इससे बाहर है. He is out of this. He is out of this. यह किताब किसकी है? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. क्या हुआ तुम्हें? What happened to you? What happened to you? उसका अपमान मत करो. Don't insult her. Don't insult her. मुझे अभी जवाब दो. Answer me right now. Answer me right now. मैं किसी की नहीं सुनता. I don't listen to anyone. I don't listen to anyone. किसी तरह से मैंने इसे किया। Somehow I did it. Somehow I did it. आप कितनी दूर जा सकते हो? How far can you go? How far can you go? क्या तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल है? Do you have a mobile? Do you have a mobile? यहाँ कोई नहीं रहता। Nobody lives here. Nobody lives here. मुझ में तुम्हें क्या पसंद है? What do you like in me? What do you like in me? मेरा पेट भर गया है। My stomach is full. My stomach is full. तुम गलत सोच रहे हो। You are thinking wrong. You are thinking wrong. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? आपके आगे कौन है? Who is ahead of you? Who is ahead of you? मैं उसे शक्ल से जानता हूँ। I know him by face. I know him by face. मेरा यह इरादा नहीं था। It was not my intention. It was not my intention. मेरा रास्ता मत रोको। Don't block my way. Don't block my way. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करूँगा। I will not bother you. I will not bother you. मैं इसके लिए पागल नहीं हूँ। I am not crazy about it. I am not crazy about it. अपना स्वेटर पहने रखो। Keep your sweater on. Keep your sweater on. उसे बुरा लग रहा है। She is feeling bad. She is feeling bad. यहाँ कोई नहीं है। Nobody is here. Nobody is here. मेरे मैसेज को अनदेखा मत करो। Don't ignore my message. Don't ignore my message. मुझे भी भूख लग रही है। I also feel hungry. I also feel hungry. वह अच्छे से बात करता है। He talks well. He talks well. वह वहाँ क्यों गई थी? Why did she go there? Why did she go there? मुझे उससे मिलना है। I have to meet her. I have to meet her. धूम्रपान ना करें। Don't smoke. Don't smoke. अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त करो। Express your feelings. Express your feelings. सब मतलबी हैं। All are selfish. All are selfish. कृपया कॉफी पीजिए। Please have some coffee. Please have some coffee. मैं स्कूल में हूँ। I am at school. I am at school. मुझे वो कहीं नहीं मिला। I found him nowhere. I found him nowhere. सावधान रहना। Be on your guard. सावधान रहना। Be on your guard. इसे ध्यान से करो। Do it carefully. Do it carefully. ज़्यादा ऊंचा मत बोलो। Don't speak too high. Don't speak too high. मैं आपकी तरह बोलना चाहता हूँ। I want to speak like you. I want to speak like you. मुझे उंगली मत दिखाओ। Don't show me finger. Don't show me finger. यह उसकी गलती नहीं है। It's not his fault. It's not his fault. मुझे यहाँ रहना पसंद है। I like living here. I like living here. मुझे टॉयलेट जाना है। I need to go to the toilet. I need to go to the toilet. बस से उतर जाओ। Get off the bus. Get off the bus. अपनी जुबान पर लगाम दो। Hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. वह मुझसे गुस्सा हो गया। He got angry with me. He got angry with me. यह वास्तव में समय लेता है। It really takes time. It really takes time. वह फोन पर बात कर रही है। She is on the phone. She is on the phone. यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? मुझे कुछ और नहीं कहना। I have nothing more to say. I have nothing more to say. मुझे इसकी याद दिला देना। Please remind me of it. Please remind me of it. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है। It's out of my capacity. It's out of my capacity. यह चाय किसने बनाई? Who made this tea? Who made this tea? मेरे काम में दखल मत दो। Don't interfere in my work. Don't interfere in my work. तुमने वहाँ क्या देखा? What did you see there? What did you see there? तुम सब कुछ गवा दोगे। You will lose everything. You will lose everything. मैं तो बस पूछ रहा था। I was just asking. I was just asking. यह मेरे लिए नहीं है। This is not for me. This is not for me. तुमसे बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use talking to you. It's no use talking to you. अपना चेहरा धो लो। Wash your face. Wash your face. अपना हुनर दिखाओ। Show your talent. Show your talent. सामान एक जगह रख दो। Put stuff in one place. Put stuff in one place. मैंने पूछ लिया था। I had asked. I had asked. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. बात करना बंद करो। Stop talking. Stop talking. मुझे धमकी मत दो। Don't threaten me. Don't threaten me. अब मैं कुछ बोलूं? May I say something? May I say something? मुझे दोबारा फोन मत करना। Don't call me again. Don't call me again. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick? Are you sick? बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. बाहर मत खेलो। Don't play outside. Don't play outside. अब तुम्हारी बारी। It's your turn now. It's your turn now. मेरे साथ बहस मत करो। Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. उस बारे में क्या? What about that? What about that? मैंने आपको ऑनलाइन देखा। I saw you online. I saw you online. रात का खाना तैयार है। Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. दरवाजा पूरा खुला रखो। Keep the door fully open. Keep the door fully open. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। I am perfectly fine. I am perfectly fine. तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? गलतियाँ सबसे होती हैं। Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. यह मेरा अपना फैसला है। It's my own decision. It's my own decision. क्या मैं कल आ सकता हूँ? Can I come tomorrow? Can I come tomorrow? क्या आपको मिला? Did you get it? Did you get it? कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो। Get something to eat. Get something to eat. तुम्हें यह लेना चाहिए। You should take it. You should take it. एक बार बात तो कर लो। Talk at least once. Talk at least once. अपनी किताब बंद करें। Close your book. Close your book. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करना चाहूँगा। I would like to help you. I would like to help you. कृपया कुछ कहो। Please say something. प्लीज से समथिंग। मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है। आई हैव सीन यू समवेयर। आई हैव सीन यू समवेयर। मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया। आई हैवंट टोल्ड एनीवन। आई हैवंट टोल्ड एनीवन। अब मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। नाउ लीव मी अलोन। नाउ लीव मी अलोन। मुझे तुम्हारी फिक्र है। आई केयर अबाउट यू। आई केयर अबाउट यू। आप मुझे प्रेरित करते हैं। यू इंस्पायर मी। यू इंस्पायर मी। मुझे करना क्या है? What do I have to do? What do I have to do? कृपया अपनी मदद खुद करें। Please help yourself. Please help yourself. उसे बेचैनी हो रही है। She is feeling uneasy. She is feeling uneasy. मैं अभी मीटिंग में हूँ। I am in a meeting now. I am in a meeting now. इसे नीचे ले जाओ। Take it down. Take it down. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? मैं तो कब का पहुंच गया। I have arrived long ago. I have arrived long ago. जो करना है करो। Do what you want. Do what you want. और मैं किसे बताता? Who else could I tell? Who else could I tell? यह वास्तव में अच्छा था। It was really good. It was really good. उसकी बोलती बंद है। He is speechless. He is speechless. इसे आसान कर दो। Make it easy. Make it easy. क्या कुछ परेशानी है? Is something bothering you? Is something bothering you? मैं इसे छोड़ता हूँ। I give it up. I give it up. मैंने उसे ज्यादा छूट दी। I granted him too much. I granted him too much. रास्ते से हट जाओ। Get off the way. Get off the way. समझदारी की बात करो। Talk sense. Talk sense. बेवकूफ मत बनो। Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूंगी। I'll not talk to you. I'll not talk to you. उल्टा जवाब देना बंद करो। Stop answering back. Stop answering back. मुझसे बहस मत करो। Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मैं आपको अच्छे से जानता हूँ। I know you very well. I know you very well. तू जानता नहीं मैं कौन हूँ। You have no idea who I am. You have no idea who I am. अपनी औकात में रहो। Be in your limit. Be in your limit. ये क्या बकवास है? What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? मैं तुम्हें जान से मार दूंगा। I will kill you. I will kill you. मैं तुमसे गुस्सा हूँ। I am angry with you. I am angry with you. भाड़ में जाओ। Go to hell. Go to hell. लानत है तुम पर। Shame on you. Shame on you. मेरे रास्ते में आना बंद करो। Stop getting in my way. Stop getting in my way. ज्यादा हंसो मत। Don't laugh too much. Don't laugh too much. उसे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो। Get him out of here. Get him out of here. मुझे क्या करना है ये तुम मत बोलो। You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. यह मेरे लिए बहुत कठिन है। It's very difficult for me. It's very difficult for me. उसने मुझे गाली दी। She abused me. She abused me. रोजाना कुछ नया सीखें। Learn something new daily. Learn something new daily. मैं समझ गया. I have understand everything. I have understand everything. फिर से मत रो. Don't cry again. Don't cry again. मुझे इसे ठीक करवाना है. I need to get it fixed. I need to get it fixed. अपना ख्याल रखें. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. अकेले मत टहलो. Don't walk alone. Don't walk alone.